In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a red light ticket online in Philadelphia. If you received a red light camera violation in Philadelphia, the good news is that you can usually pay it online in just a few minutes. Before you begin, make sure you have your violation notice in front of you because you'll need two important details from that document: your citation or notice number and the PIN listed on the notice. Without those, you may not be able to access the payment page. The first thing you need to do is identify what type of notice you received. This matters because Philadelphia uses different payment pages depending on how the ticket number begins. If your ticket number starts with RL, you should use Philadelphia County's Red Light Safety Program online violation payment system, which is also linked through the City of Philadelphia's red light camera ticket payment page. If your notice number begins with 536, then you'll need to use the dedicated red light camera's violation payments page for notices that start with 536. Taking a moment to match your notice number to the correct portal will help you avoid errors and save time. Once you're on the correct payment page, enter your citation or notice number exactly as it appears on the violation. Then type in your PIN from the notice. It's a good idea to double check both entries before moving forward, especially if your number includes letters at the beginning. Even a small typing mistake can prevent the system from locating your ticket. After your information is entered, continue through the prompts to submit your payment. The system accepts major credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Keep in mind that a convenience fee may apply when paying online by card, so don't be surprised if the total is slightly higher than the base amount listed on the notice. As you complete the payment, read each screen carefully to confirm you're paying the correct violation and amount. After the transaction is submitted, be sure to save or print your confirmation page if one is provided. That confirmation can be helpful for your records in case you need proof of payment later. And that's it. The main thing is to use the correct portal based on whether your notice starts with RL or 536, then enter your citation number and PIN, and follow the payment steps on screen. If you found this helpful, you can replay the video and pause on each part while you complete the process.